Most of our customers are struggling with one or more of these problems. 1. The do-it-yourself website builders are not actually as easy as they claim to be. 2. You'd rather spend your valuable time running your business than maintaining your website. 3. The big brand marketing agencies are just too expensive. Or 4. Your friend or family member who initially built your site has ghosted you, and now you're stuck without support. This is where we come in. Welcome to Total Care Websites, the next generation of website management. We've removed all the complexities and challenges of having a world-class website and replaced them with the lost arts of simplicity and phenomenal customer service. And we do it all for a flat monthly fee. There are no contracts and no hidden charges. We believe it's our job to keep you happy as a customer each and every month, so that's what we do. Here's how it works. To begin, we'll build a brand new website for you that is up to date with the latest and greatest standards of modern web design and development. That means it's going to look great on large monitors, small monitors, tablets, and phones. It also means it's going to be SEO optimized, so you'll have a fighting chance of showing up in Google search results. And it also means your website will be fast, which is important for your prospects and your customers. There is a one-time setup fee for this because it takes a lot of work to build your new website. That said, the setup fee is fully refundable within 30 days if you're not completely happy with your new site. There is no risk to you at all. We're passionate about exceptional customer service, and we guarantee our work. Next, we'll host your website for you. That means we'll host the site on Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, Shopify, Vercel, or one of the industry-leading cloud providers. Your site will be deployed across the globe on one of the best content delivery networks available, so you won't need to worry about things like uptime and speed. Now let's talk about updating your website. This is one of the best parts of Total Care Websites, and we think you're going to love it. Your monthly fee includes unlimited updates. We'll update your website for you as many times as you want and as often as you want. Simply call us and talk to one of our US-based team members, and we'll have it done for you within one business day. We'll do it with a smile, and we'll do it reliably. It's really that easy. Speaking of unlimited, we didn't mention how many pages you can have, how many products you can have, how many online sales you can have, how much storage you can use, or how much bandwidth you can consume. We've made that easy too. Everything is unlimited. While it's true that we can't host the Bank of America site on Total Care Websites, we've learned over the years that most of our customers fit very nicely into that unlimited bucket, so we decided to keep things as simple as possible for you. So here's the legal stuff made easy. If the day comes that your business outgrows what Total Care Websites can reasonably provide, we'll happily work with you on something that makes more sense for your business at that time. We're able to do all of this because Total Care Websites is a service offering of Elegant Software Solutions, a professional software development firm. That means Total Care Websites is backed by a team of enterprise-class software developers, architects, project managers, and designers that have decades of experience building reliable, scalable, maintainable, and extensible software for some of the world's largest organizations. We're passionate about our craft, and we're committed to excellence. Building amazing websites for our Total Care Websites customers is very easy for us. And as your business grows and your technical needs evolve, you'll already have a technology partner that you can count on. Do you remember the days when the customer was always right? Or the days when people took pride in doing the highest quality work they could do? Well, so do we, and we passionately believe in both of those principles. We're bringing customer service back, and we're delivering exceptional quality websites to entrepreneurs, business owners, marketers, and managers just like you every day. We really do think you're going to love what we do, and we're looking forward to becoming your new favorite service provider. Sign up today and let's get started. Welcome to Total Care Websites.